Hey guys, what's up? So in today's video, I have a big Virgin Galactic update for you. This update was totally unexpected. I don't think any of us saw it coming, but it's very positive news for the stock. So make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video. You're not going to want to miss this update, and I will be giving my thoughts towards the end on this and what I think it means for the stock moving forward. Okay guys, so before we dive into this video, if you can drop it a big thumbs up, it really helps out with the channel. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I cover every update on this company. And also don't forget to check out the links down below in the description. I have a Webull link where if you use that link and sign up with Webull, you'll get 4 free stocks as long as you deposit just $100. Now with all of that being said, let's dive straight into this update. Okay, so the big update is that Virgin Galactic just landed a new NASA contract. So NASA announces that it selected Virgin Galactic and Masten Space Systems to provide flight and integration services for payloads chosen by the agency's Flight Opportunities Program, which is managed at the agency's Armstrong's Flight Research Center in Edwards, California. So most of us know that Virgin Galactic has been doing payloads and have been in the talks about it to make more revenue. Well, now we can see an actual contract come out with this. And this is really big news because I'll dive more into this article, but we'll actually get an idea of what kind of revenue can be expected from these payload programs. And it's actually more than I anticipated. So this is really good news, and the stock is reacting very positively in the after hours right now, and I'll show you guys that in just a second. So with this contract, it's good until July 31st, 2023. So this is about a 2.5-year contract, which is really nice. It's basically guaranteed revenue for the next 2.5 years. Now, I'm gonna show you guys what kind of revenue Virgin Galactic can expect with this. So oddly enough, Virgin Galactic actually doesn't have this announced on their own website. But if you search up NASA, you can find the contract there. And this was just released November 30th, and that's when I'm filming this video right now. So it says here, NASA has selected Virgin Galactic to provide flight and integration services for payloads chosen by the agency's Flight Opportunities Program, which is managed at the agency's Armstrong Flight Research Center in California. The two companies joined 4 others to provide service under commercial indefinite delivery contracts with NASA. Now, the new IDIQ base contract awards run through July 31st, 2023, so the 2.5 years here. And this contract has a total combined value of $45 million. Now, $45 million over a 2-year span, let's say, is around $20 million a year. And now, this is just one contract. I have no doubt that Virgin Galactic is going to score more payload contracts. But the great thing about this payload revenue is that it doesn't cost Virgin Galactic anything to do it. They can just throw the payloads onto their spaceships when they're doing space tourism. So it doesn't cost them anything. And as far as I can tell, this is just going to be 100% profit on the bottom line. And that is actually huge. 45 million bottom line is a great addition to their revenue. So I gotta say, this whole payload revenue actually is quite a bit better than what I thought it was gonna be. And I'm really hoping that Virgin Galactic can score more contracts with different agencies. And I think we could end up getting actually a substantial amount of revenue from payloads. I mean, all it takes is a few more contracts like this, and then all of a sudden we're generating close to 100 million a year bottom line profits, and it costs them nothing. That is absolutely game changing when you're trying to value this company. So I am going to have to rework what I'm considering my long-term predictions for Virgin Galactic now that I'm seeing this. Obviously, I'd like to see more contracts come out so I can get a better picture, but I think it's pretty safe to assume this isn't going to be the last contract. So this is honestly just great news for the company. And if you're a shareholder in Virgin Galactic right now, I think you're going to be rewarded greatly for this. And I'll show you guys the chart so you know what I'm talking about here. So I'm looking at the after hours right now. you can see that Virgin Galactic at the end of the day was trading at $26.61. Now, after hours since they announced this news, it's up 6.5%. It's trading at $28.34 now. That is a pretty huge jump. And I really don't think it's going to stop there. I think we're going to see Virgin Galactic hit $30 probably in the next 2 days. And even analysts are going to have to rework how they're evaluating Virgin Galactic. I don't think anybody had much of an idea of what kind of revenue Payloads was going to bring in. But now the analysts are getting this information. I guarantee they're going to be reworking on how they're evaluating Virgin Galactic. I certainly am myself. And I think shortly after this announcement, let's say in the next 2 months, we're gonna see analysts come out with articles upgrading their price targets, and that's just going to boost Virgin Galactic's share price as well. So this could be the start of a very good run for this stock. However, there is always risk. I mean, the broader market could easily sell off. We could see a big correction, even a stock market crash. If that were to occur, we would lose all momentum and Virgin Galactic would drop like every other stock. But if we ignore a possible stock market crash and just focus on the company at hand, there's a lot of good things going for it right now. So yeah, right now I see a lot of bullish momentum for Virgin Galactic. We have obviously this big news with the payloads. And then also I do think we're going to see analyst upgrades, which is just going to continue that momentum and continue that upward trend. And then also within the next couple of months, we still should see this company get FAA approval, which is more bullish momentum. And then we have that Richard Branson flight to look forward to, which again is just massive momentum on that as well. So unless we see a stock market crash, we should see Virgin Galactic really pick up steam here. And let's not forget, it's not like Virgin Galactic has been performing bad at all. They're up like something 280% this year. And just in the last 3 months, we're up 54%. I was recommending this stock at around $15. I was saying this is asymmetrical returns. You have limited downside right now and massive upside. And that's exactly what we've seen happen over the last few months. And like I keep on saying, unless we see some kind of stock market correction or crash, this is going to continue. Virgin Galactic has all the momentum going in its favor. It has very positive catalysts coming up. I have no doubt that it will continue to trend upwards as long as the broader market doesn't sell off. So anyways, guys, that is my update for you today. Make sure you comment down below and give me your thoughts on this update. What do you guys think of the payloads? How much revenue do you think Virgin Galactic will see on an annual basis? I think we could definitely end up seeing close to $100 million in profit on an annual basis moving in the future. That could be a few years out, but that is something that I think we could honestly see here. But of course, that is just speculation right now. This is the first big contract that's been announced for payloads. But either way, it's great news, and now all we need is that FAA approval. So anyways, guys, that is all I have for you in today's video. If you liked it, make sure you drop it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more updates like this. And thanks for watching till the end of the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Oh.